How to make an eBay listing with a drop down menu. So, the first step is signing in and starting a new listing. So, begin by signing into your eBay seller's account. From the home page, just go ahead and click on sell and then create a new listing. So if you're updating an existing listing, go to the Sellers Hub, open your active listings, and click Revise on the item you actually want to edit. So go ahead and do this, click on Revise here, and just begin editing your listings. All right, now the next step is selecting the correct category. So enter your product title and choose the appropriate category. This is important because only certain eBay categories support variation listings. So if the category supports it, you will see a variation section during the listing process. So make sure to change the category and then add your variations. After that, you can just go ahead and enable the variations by scrolling down until you find the variation section. Once you found the variation section, just go ahead and click on create variation or add variations. So there's an option to create or to add, and then just go ahead and update it. You will now see the attributes buyers can select, such as color, size, style, material, storage capacity, and pattern. These attributes will become the drop down menu or selection boxes that the user would see when purchasing your item. And then after that, just go ahead and add your options by entering the options for each attribute. Like for color, you could go with gray, orange, ivory, pink, purple. For size, you could go with small, medium, and large. eBay automatically creates every available combination of options you actually need. And then once you're done, go ahead and set your inventory, pricing, and photos. So for each variation, you'll be able to customize the details like the price. You can customize the price. You can also customize the quantity if it's a private listing, sales tax, and return options. Adding separate images for each color or style helps buyer know exactly what they're purchasing. And then once you're done, just go ahead and complete the listing, and it should look like this. So you could just test the buyer experience after your listing goes live, open it as a buyer would, and check that all the variations actually work properly. All right, guys, that's it.